Welcome back to teaching videos, guys, where I bring you useful videos every now and then. So guys, in this video I will be quickly showing you how to restart your TCL's Google TV. So basically you are going to tap on the settings button from your remote, or you can manually go into the settings options, and this dashboard is going to open in front of you, and you need to go into the all settings by going on that top right corner, and then you need to go into the system settings by scrolling down, and then again you need to scroll all the way down, and you are going to see the restart option right here. We are going to hit this one, and this will give you a prompt. So I'm going to restart it from here, and as you can see, it's going to restart. It's going to take the time, the couple of seconds that it usually takes to restart the system. So you can restart your TV for any reason. If you're seeing sluggishness or slowness in the TV, it's not working properly, you can just easily restart your TV. So this is how it's going to restart. So it's going to take a couple of seconds, and really quick it's going to restart the TV. So you can see the TCL logo right here, and again we have the Google TV so coming right. So here we are finally on the home page or the display or the startup. So I hope you really enjoyed this quick tip video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, guys, and do subscribe to my channel for a lot more videos.